chat about how we went from deep frying to air frying, which is a new food technique. We'll talk about the top 5 best air fryers of 2023 in today's video. Kitchen technology has come a long way, and now we have these great appliances that offer crispy, tasty food without all the oil that comes with deep frying. Our carefully selected list has something for everyone, whether you're into health, a parent with a lot on your plate, or just someone who likes quick, easy cooking. Keep watching as we share the best choices of this year if you want to know which air fryer models are changing the way we cook the most. Don't forget to like, write, and subscribe to get more information and tips on the newest kitchen tech. Number 5. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. This is the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro, the next air fryer on our list of the top 5 of 2023. This is a truly innovative kitchen device. This isn't just an air fryer, it's a powerhouse that can do a lot of different things. It blends the ease of air frying with the flexibility of a convection oven. The Element IQ feature makes the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro stand out. This smart feature sends power to the areas that need it most, so cooking uses less energy and always turns out perfectly. This oven changes the power so that you can cook a chicken, bake a pizza, or air fry French fries that are perfectly crispy. One great thing about this air fryer is that it can hold a lot of food. It's great for family meals and parties because it has enough space for a 14-pound turkey. It's perfectly sized to hold multiple foods at once, so it's great for making complicated meals or cooking a lot at once. Another great thing is the user experience. It's simple to use and understand, and the LCD screen makes it easy to choose from the 13 cooking tasks. Some of these are bake, broil, toast, bagel, pizza, cookies, reheat, warm, slow cook, air fry, dry, and proof. But what really makes the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro a must-have is how well it cooks and distributes heat. Because it uses advanced convection technology, hot air moves evenly through the oven, making sure that everything cooks properly and has a perfect finish every time. This oven is very easy to clean. The inside has a non-stick covering that makes it easy to clean, and the crumb tray can be taken out and used to catch any spills or other food. When it comes to looks, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro has a sleek, modern look that will go with any kitchen setting. The outside is made of stainless steel, which is not only stylish but also strong and easy to clean. Number 4. Kozori Air Fryer 4.7L. The Kozori Air Fryer 4.7L is the next model on our list of the top 5 air fryers of 2023. This model has been winning hearts with its perfect mix of volume, ease of use, and cutting-edge technology. You can make both small and big foods in the Kozori Air Fryer 4.7L, which is one of the best air fryers on the market. The Kozori Air Fryer looks beautiful. That's the first thing you'll notice. The design makes it slim and small so that it can fit on any table without taking up too much room. The air fryer has a sleek black finish and easy-to-use touch settings, so it's not only useful but also looks good in your kitchen. It's not just how they look, though. There are a lot of powerful features in the Kozori Air Fryer 4.7L. It has technology that circulates air quickly and uniformly, cooking your food. This cuts down on cooking time and makes sure that every meal is perfectly crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. The fact that this air fryer can be used for many things is one of its best features. This air fryer can cook a lot of different foods because it has many settings for things like chicken, steak, seafood, and even desserts. The Kozori Air Fryer 4.7L makes cooking easy, whether you're making a quick snack or a big dinner for the whole family. The 4.7-liter air fryer is great for families because it can cook enough food for 4 to 5 people at once. For you, this means less time spent cooking and more time with your family and friends. Another important thing is how easy it is to clean. The non-stick basket can be taken off and put in the dishwasher, which makes cleanup after a meal a breeze. This means you can enjoy your tasty products more and spend less time cleaning the pans. With the Kozori Air Fryer 4.7L, safety is also very important. It has auto shut-off safety features that keep it from overcooking and make sure you always cook safely. Number 3. Instant Vortex Pro. As we look more closely at our top 5 air fryers of 2023, the Instant Vortex Pro really stands out. It deserves extra praise for being able to do so many things and be so effective. This air fryer is more than an appliance. It's a must-have for any kitchen because it changes the way you cook. The Instant Vortex Pro is more than just an air fryer. Its sleek design and stainless steel finish make it a work of art in your kitchen. But where it really shines is in how well it works. This air fryer can roast, broil, bake, toast, reheat, proof, dry, rotisserie, and of course, air fry. It has 9 different functions, with up to 95% less oil than traditional frying methods. Its advanced Even Crisp technology makes sure that every dish is cooked just right, with a tasty crispy outside and a tender, juicy inside. With its bright, easy-to-read LED screen and simple layout, the Instant Vortex Pro makes it easy to choose the best cooking settings. The air fryer's big capacity makes it great for making meals for the whole family. It can easily fit a whole chicken or several servings of your favorite dishes. The rotisserie feature is especially cool because it helps you make roast meats that look like they came from a restaurant in your own home. The accessories can go in the machine, and the non-stick, easy-to-clean inside makes cleaning a breeze. The Instant Vortex Pro is also made to be safe. It has overheat protection and auto-off features to give you peace of mind while you cook. The Instant Vortex Pro is a great choice for anyone who wants to cook new recipes or is a busy parent looking for quick and healthy meal options. It's easy to use, can be used for many things, and cooks food very well. Number 2. Cuisinart Air Fryer. In our list of the best air fryers of the year, we now look at the Cuisinart Air Fryer, which has been getting great reviews for how versatile it is and how well it works. This air fryer stands out because it can do many things in the kitchen. It's great for people who like to cook everything at once. There's more to the Cuisinart Air Fryer than meets the eye. It's a full-fledged toaster oven that can also air fry food. This means that you can bake, broil, toast, and air fry all in one appliance. This saves so much counter room in your kitchen. The Cuisinart Air Fryer is made to last with its sleek and sturdy stainless steel design. It will add a touch of luxury to your kitchen decor and last for a long time. One of its best features is that the inside is very roomy. You can air fry up to 2.5 pounds of food, bake a 4-pound chicken, or toast 6 slices of bread, which makes it perfect for family meals or having friends over. The air fryer is easy for cooks of all levels to use because it has simple buttons that control the temperature and the cooking function. You can change the temperature and set a 60-minute timer to give you full control over your cooking, whether you're making fresh cookies, crispy French fries, or a juicy roast chicken. Its air cooking feature uses strong, very hot air to make tasty fried foods like wings, fritters, fries, and shrimp in a healthier way. It's also easy to clean because the inside is non-stick and the frying basket and baking pan can go in the machine. Number 1. Bear Air Fryer. The Bear Air Fryer is a great addition to our list of the best air fryers for people who like their kitchen items to be both useful and stylish. This air fryer is a great example of how to mix new technology with an easy-to-use design. It's a favorite among both experienced and new cooks. The Bear Air Fryer stands out because of how sleek and small it is. It's perfect for any kitchen, no matter how big or small it is. It's not just a nice-looking device. It's also a powerhouse when it comes to cooking. The advanced rapid air circulation technology in this air fryer makes sure that your food is cooked properly and always has a perfect crispy finish. When compared to traditional frying methods, the Bear Air Fryer consistently makes golden brown fries, juicy chicken wings, and tender vegetables while using a lot less oil. One great thing about the Bear Air Fryer is that it can be used for many different things. It removes the guesswork from cooking a variety of meals by having several cooking presets. No matter what you want to cook, this air fryer can do it. The digital control panel is easy to use and helps you easily change the time and temperature, giving you full control over the cooking. Its large size also makes it great for cooking meals for the whole family or having people over. Because the basket doesn't stick and can go in the washing, the Bear Air Fryer is very easy to clean. This means you'll spend less time cleaning up and more time enjoying the food you've made. Automatic shutoff and heating protection are two safety features that give you peace of mind and make sure you always cook safely. This is the end of our look at the top 5 best air fryers of 2024. It's clear that these gadgets are more than just a fad. They're changing the way we cook. Each model we've shown has its own unique mix of health benefits, ease of use, and great cooking. For example, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro can do a lot of different things, and the Bear Air Fryer is sleek and efficient. You can find an air fryer on this list that fits your needs. Whether you're a busy parent looking for quick meal ideas, a health fanatic looking for better ways to cook, or someone who likes the ease of one-touch cooking, you should think about getting one of these new tools to improve your cooking experience. They're not just about cooking. They're about trying out new tastes and textures while keeping your health in mind. Any of these top 5 picks would be a great place to start if you want to join the whole air frying thing. If you want to learn more about the best kitchen appliances, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the sections below. We'd love to hear how these air fryers are changing the way you cook. Glad you watched, and have fun air frying.